Hello everyone, it's Matt from Tent and Table. We've got a few different requests and things that have been coming in over the past couple of weeks. A lot really having to pertain to the bladder system and the way that the water units sort of work on our water slides and, well, different water units. So connecting the hose itself is actually pretty easy. We have this little sleeve here that comes out that essentially connects to our misting system in the slide that you're going to run your hose into. You can sort of see here that there in this tube is this sort of slender suctiony type portion that gets thinner and thinner as it gets closer to the slide. But all you have to do is make it so that your hose is stuck and suctioned into place on this. Going up onto the slide itself, you can see that these are actually the little like holes for the misting system where your water is going to come out. Now, a major thing with the slides themselves is also the fact that we have a drainage system put in. So you can see we have the drainage hole here that all the water will drain out for. And then as they flip this up here, you could actually see the hole where the water is going to drain out to and just out into the ground or onto your tarp if you've got one placed out, which we do highly recommend that you have a tarp on the ground. So like we said, it is a pretty simple procedure, but it is one of those things that when it's your first time doing it, or if it's your first time using one of the ones on our units, it could sometimes maybe feel like you're doing it wrong or just look like something's out of place. So we wanted to make sure that everyone could get to see this and see how we do it, so that you don't have to second guess yourself just as you're setting up before an event.